So I'm going to give you some rules of thumbs about seller credits, private mortgage insurance, as well as closing costs. So when it comes to seller credits, that's basically coupons for your closing costs. So there are some rules on how much you can borrow or get from a seller credit, Usually it's 3 to 6% of the purchase price. You can go up to 9% if you're putting a high down payment. So make sure you're calculating that. But generally speaking, most people won't hit that limit because that's a lot of seller credits and you may not have enough closing costs for that. From private mortgage insurance, so this is something that you want to be mindful of. If you're getting like an FHA loan, private mortgage insurance is a fixed amount based on your loan amount and down payment. So it doesn't matter your credit score if it's 600 or 800, same amount. Conventional private mortgage insurance is actually the thing that varies based on credit score and actually varies on lenders as well, if you didn't know that. So if you want to improve your private mortgage insurance and down payment, so three variables. Lenders have different private mortgage insurance, credit score, and down payment. When it comes to down payment, private mortgage insurance changes in increments of 5. So 5%, 10%, 15%, and then 20%, it's 0, right? If you do 3% down for a first-time home buyer, that is one that is a special situation. Credit score works in 20-point increments. So 620, 640, 700, 720, 740, 760, and it kind of just stays at 760 at that amount. So that's like the best case. When it comes to closing costs, this is kind of a general rule of thumb because it depends on the day you close, the month you close, what insurance type you get, all this mumbo jumbo, okay? But I would use this rule of thumb. If you're buying, meaning 2 to 5% in purchase price. A 5% of purchase price would be if you're buying like a $100,000 house because there's fixed cost that will equal a big amount of your loan amount. So for example, an appraisal is going to be a big amount, like $500. That's a big amount of a $100,000 loan. Now at $500,000, I usually use around 3% for your purchase price. 1 million or above, about 2%, as kind of a general rule of thumb. Now, obviously your mortgage person will give you a better accurate number because usually you're going to have a better idea of your purchase price, how much you're going to put down, what rate option you're choosing, when are you closing, stuff like that. But I hope that helps.